Florida's Attorney General is keeping the fight alive on same-sex marriage, but some in the legal field are saying she's wasting her time and your money. 4 in Your Corner's Kelly Dame sharing your views in tonight's Viewer's Voice.
When you remove the politics of the issue and you leave it to its legalities, there's no way she can win.
But fight it she will. Florida's Attorney General Pam Bondi filed a brief this week stating it's the public's interest to at least let our state's highest court review same-sex marriage before changing the law. But a Southwest Florida attorney says Bondi refuses to recognize the obvious.
Every argument that she has made in any of the cases that are pending in the state of Florida, those arguments have been rejected at the federal level.
What do taxpayers think of the way their money is being used? Here's Rosie from North Fort Myers.
Pam Bondi needs to quit wasting the taxpayers' money. It is inevitable that gay marriage will be legal in all states, and she just needs to deal with it.
Gays are 10% of the population. I think they need to not be taxed if that's the case, if they're not going to have equal rights. No taxation without representation.
Nancy of Punta Gorda says it's time to reflect the times.
I respect the rights of others, and the tide has turned. And just like women have the right to vote, blacks are no longer slaves, and men and women have an equal voice in our society. Pam is so out of touch.
But many sharing support for Bondi's efforts.
It's an insult to the voters of Florida that these gays want to overturn what the public voted for. The public voted over 60% that we do not want gay marriage in this state.
Kelly Dame, Fox 4 in Your Corner.
The Lee County Clerk of Court's office says it's already been preparing for same-sex marriage when and if they become legal in Florida, changing some of the paperwork, or at least looking at it. The union is legal in 32 states and the District of Columbia. You can still voice your view on this issue when you call us at 239-206-FOX4 or email us at news@fox4now.com.